Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. USDA reported hay prices continue to make a slow and steady increase in 2013. The March U.S. hay price, excluding alfalfa, increased $1 to $149 per ton. Hay prices tend to increase seasonally into May, and the late winter weather across much of the United States will likely support this trend in 2013. Expect U.S. annual highs in the low $150 per ton range into the late spring, and expect a price break of around $10 per ton or more into the summer. The magnitude of the summer price break will likely depend on spring and summer moisture across major hay-producing regions. December 1st hay stocks in the United States were at lows not seen since the mid-1950s. Forage markets will continue to be influenced by this available hay inventory in 2013. Hay, pasture, and even corn markets tend to move in the same general direction across the country. Prices are better than 80% correlated among these different markets on a nationwide annual basis. Pasture cash rent prices increased as much as 13% in some regions of the country this past year, while average hay prices increased 20%. The largest increases came in the Corn Belt, Lake states, and the Northeast. These regions are also major row crop production areas and experienced some of the highest crop rental rate increases in 2012. Tighter supplies and increasing competition from land point to higher rental rates for 2013 pasture and cropland. Of course, regional price differences will exist, and quality as well as availability will greatly influence these rates. Cow-calf producers looking to secure additional pasture and forage resources in 2013 will likely need to work harder to secure favorable pricing. The fed cattle market was mostly $1 lower this week. In the South, cattle traded at $127 per hundredweight on a live basis. Trade in the North occurred at $127.50 to $128 on a live basis, while dress trade was relatively light at recording time. Feeder cattle prices were $2 to $3 softer for the week, while calves were $1 to $2 per hundredweight lower. Feed yard losses continue to pressure calf and feeder cattle values. However, sales volumes in April continue to be larger than last year. Slaughter cows were priced steady to $2 per hundredweight lower for the week, while box beef prices also drifted lower. Select product was selling at larger discounts relative to choice, and the daily choice select spread widened to more than $6. Demand remains relatively slow for box beef, as wholesale buyers are focusing on spring needs. Meanwhile, ample supplies are noted. Corn prices increased this week as well as export sales improved following last week's lower prices. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.cattlefax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.